Your skin barrier is weakening. After 50, this invisible shield breaks down faster than most realize. Scientists found 6 ways to rebuild it. The best takes 30 seconds each morning. Think of your skin barrier like a brick wall protecting a castle. The bricks are your skin cells, and the mortar holding them together is made of special fats called lipids. This wall keeps moisture in, and harmful invaders out. For decades, your body maintained this fortress beautifully. But here's what researchers discovered. After age 50, your body produces 40% fewer ceramides, the essential fatty compounds that act as mortar. Without enough ceramide mortar, gaps appear in your wall. Water escapes. Bacteria sneak through. Irritants penetrate deeper. This explains why skin suddenly becomes drier, more sensitive, and slower to heal. But that's not even the most surprising part. Scientists have identified exactly which ceramides decline fastest, and which foods help rebuild them. The connection between your plate and your skin barrier will change how you think about nutrition forever. Your skin barrier doesn't just keep moisture in. It's your body's first immune defense. Every single day, millions of microorganisms attempt to colonize your skin surface. A healthy barrier maintains something called the acid mantle, a slightly acidic coating with a pH around 5.5. This acidity creates an environment where beneficial bacteria thrive, and harmful pathogens struggle to survive. And the best part is this. Your barrier hosts its own ecosystem of protective microbes called the skin microbiome. These friendly bacteria actually help produce natural moisturizing factors and antimicrobial compounds. After 50, hormonal changes alter this delicate pH balance. Estrogen decline affects sebum production, making skin less acidic. This shift allows harmful bacteria to gain foothold while beneficial species decline. Many people unknowingly worsen this problem with harsh soaps that strip away protective oils and drastically raise skin pH. If this is blowing your mind, drop a like. Understanding your skin's ecosystem is the first step toward protecting it. What science shows next will inspire you. Researchers at the University of California discovered that barrier repair happens primarily during sleep. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your skin cell turnover rate doubles. This is when new ceramides are synthesized, damaged cells are replaced, and the barrier literally rebuilds itself. But here's where it gets really interesting. This nocturnal repair process requires specific nutrients that many people over 50 are deficient in. Essential fatty acids, particularly omega-3, and omega-6 in proper ratios, serve as raw materials for ceramide production. Vitamin D regulates the genes that control barrier protein synthesis. Zinc enables the enzymes that assemble new skin cells. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation found that people with optimal levels of these nutrients showed 52% faster barrier recovery after damage. Think about that for a second. Over half faster healing simply from having the right nutritional building blocks available. Your evening meal might be more important for skin health than any expensive night cream. Now let me put this in perspective. 3 common habits silently destroy your skin barrier every single day. First, hot showers. Water above 100 degrees Fahrenheit strips away the lipid layer faster than your body can replace it. Second, over-cleansing. Using harsh cleansers, or washing your face more than twice daily removes protective oils and disrupts the microbiome. Third, and this surprises most people, fragrance products. Synthetic fragrances contain compounds that penetrate the barrier and trigger inflammatory responses. But there's an even better benefit to understanding these barrier destroyers. Once you identify them, you can make simple changes that protect years of barrier health. Dermatologists from the Mayo Clinic found that patients who eliminated just these 3 factors showed measurable barrier improvement within 2 weeks. The skin's outer layer, called the stratum corneum, completely regenerates every 14 to 21 days. This means you're not stuck with the barrier you have today. Every choice you make either supports or undermines your skin's rebuilding efforts. But everything I just told you about barrier damage? That's just the setup. The real secret to longevity isn't just avoiding harm. It's actively rebuilding strength. Here are the 6 science-backed methods that can transform your skin barrier starting today. Method 1 takes just 30 seconds each morning. After cleansing with lukewarm water and a gentle pH-balanced cleanser, apply your moisturizer to slightly damp skin. This technique, called wet trapping, increases moisture absorption by up to 300%. Dermatology research published last year confirmed this simple timing change creates dramatically better hydration than applying products to dry skin. Method 2 involves choosing moisturizers containing 3 specific ceramide types. Look for ceramide 1, ceramide 3, and ceramide 6-2 on ingredient labels. These are the exact ceramides your body produces less of after 50. Applying them topically has been shown to restore barrier function within just 4 weeks. If you want to see the remaining 4 methods that most doctors recommend, make sure you're subscribed. We're halfway through, and the best techniques are still coming. And this is how you can start today with methods 3 and 4. Method 3 addresses your skin from the inside. Consuming foods rich in linoleic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid, directly supplies raw materials for ceramide synthesis. The richest sources include safflower oil, sunflower seeds, and walnuts. Just 1 ounce of walnuts daily provides enough linoleic acid to support barrier production. Method 4 might surprise you. Gentle exfoliation once or twice weekly actually strengthens your barrier long term. When you remove dead surface cells properly, you signal your skin to increase cell turnover and ceramide production. The key word is gentle. Use a soft cloth or mild chemical exfoliant with lactic acid rather than harsh scrubs. Research from Seoul National University found that appropriate exfoliation increased ceramide levels by 28% over 8 weeks. But wait, there's more good news. Method 5 involves something you likely already have at home. And method 6? It's completely free, and might be the most powerful of all. Drop your prediction in the comments about what method 6 might be. Here's the revelation that changes everything. Method 5 uses humidity strategically. Running a humidifier in your bedroom maintains moisture levels between 40 and 60%, creating an environment where your barrier loses less water overnight. Studies show sleeping in proper humidity reduces transepidermal water loss by up to 40%. This means your barrier works less hard and recovers faster. Now for method 6, the completely free technique. What happens next is remarkable. Stress reduction directly impacts your skin barrier. When cortisol levels remain chronically elevated, your body prioritizes survival functions over barrier maintenance. Collagen production drops. Ceramide synthesis slows. Inflammation increases. A groundbreaking study from Japan's Osaka University measured barrier function in participants before and after an 8-week meditation practice. Those who meditated just 10 minutes daily showed 23% improvement in barrier integrity. 10 minutes of calm equals stronger skin. The mind-skin connection is real and measurable. Every deep breath you take supports your barrier health. Let me put these 6 methods together for you. Morning routine: cleanse with lukewarm water and pH-balanced cleanser. Apply ceramide-rich moisturizer to damp skin. 30 seconds total. Evening routine: gentle exfoliation once weekly. 10 minutes of stress reduction through meditation, deep breathing, or whatever calms you. Run a humidifier while sleeping. Daily nutrition: include 1 ounce of walnuts or other linoleic acid sources. Ensure adequate vitamin D, omega-3, and zinc intake. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. No expensive treatments. No complicated regimens. Just science-backed methods that work with your body's natural repair systems. Your skin barrier can rebuild itself remarkably well when given the right support. Within 4 weeks of following these methods, most people notice less dryness, reduced sensitivity, and healthier appearing skin. The barrier you build today protects you for decades to come. Now you understand something most people never learn. Your skin barrier isn't just about appearance. It's your body's first line of defense, a living shield that protects you every moment of every day. After 50, this shield needs extra support. But with the right knowledge, you can rebuild and maintain strong barrier function for life. The 6 methods we covered today are just the beginning. There's so much more science reveals about keeping skin healthy, vibrant, and protective as we age. Next week, we're exploring the surprising connection between gut health and skin aging, another piece of the longevity puzzle that might change how you approach wellness forever. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Remember, your best years are ahead. Your skin is capable of remarkable renewal at any age. The choices you make starting today ripple forward into decades of protection and vitality. Now you know the science behind your skin's protective shield and exactly how to strengthen it. Subscribe for weekly longevity tips designed specifically for thriving after 50. Your best years are truly ahead. Tell me in the comments, which of these 6 methods will you try first? And what skin health topic should we cover next? This community loves supporting each other on this journey.